Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. We will continue from ayat number 52 of Surah Al-Isra. It will be on a day when he will call you and you will answer his call with words of his praise, and you will think that you tarried but a little while. Say to my servants that they would only say those things that are best, that they should only say those things that are best. कहो मेरे ग़ुलामों को, मेरे सर्वेंट्स को, मेरे बंदों को कि वही कहो जो अच्छी बात है, जो बेहतरीन बात है. For Satan does sow dissensions among them, for Satan is to man an avowed enemy. It is your Lord that knows you best if he please. He grants you mercy, or if he please punishment. When have not sent you, we have not sent you to be a disposer of their affairs for them. And it is your Lord that knows best all beings that are in the heavens and on earth. We did bestow on some prophets more and others gifts than on others, and we gave the David the gift of psalms. And we gave to David the gift of psalms. Say, call on those besides him whom you fancy. They have neither the power to remove your troubles from you, nor to change them. Those whom they call upon to do desire for themselves means of access to their Lord. Even those who are nearest, they hope for his mercy and fear his wrath, for the wrath of your Lord is a thing to take heed of. कुछ लोग, अब इस आयत का मफ़हूम ये समझ रहा हूँ मैं कि कुछ लोगों को पुकारते हैं अल्लाह ताला के करीब होने के लिए, तो अल्लाह ताला वो बता रहा है इवन दोज हु आर नियरेस्ट, इवन वो जो अल्लाह ताला के सबसे करीब हैं, वो उसकी रहमत की उम्मीद करते हैं और उसके रैत से डरते हैं, क्योंकि फॉर द रैथ ऑफ योर लॉर्ड इज़ अ थिंग टू टेक हीड ऑफ. देयर इज़ नॉट अ पॉपुलेशन बट वी शैल डिस्ट्रॉय इट बिफोर द डे ऑफ जजमेंट or punish it with a dreadful punishment that is written in the eternal record. And we refrain from sending the signs only because the men of former generations treated them as false. We sent the she camel to the Samud to open their eyes, but they treated her wrongfully. We only sent the signs by way of terror and warning from evil. Behold, we told you that your Lord does encompass mankind round about. We granted the vision which we showed you. But as a trial for men, as also the cursed tree mentioned in the Quran, we put terror and warning into them, but it only increases their inordinate transgression. Behold, we said to the angels, bow down unto Adam. They bowed down except Iblis. He said, shall I bow down to one whom you did create from clay? He said, do you see, this is the one whom you have honored above me. If you will but respite me to the day of judgment, I will surely bring his descendants under my sway, all but a few. Allah said, go your way. If all of them follow you, surely hell will be the recompense of you all, an ample recompense. Lead to destruction those whom you can among them with your seductive voice. Make assaults on them with your cavalry and your infantry. Mutually share with them wealth and children, and make promises to them, but Satan promises them nothing but deceit. अब अल्लाह ताला ने कहा शैतान को मोहलत दे दी, बट शैतान तुम्हें जो भी बातें करेगा, जो भी तुम्हें कहानियाँ सुनाएगा, तुम्हें जिस तरह भी बहकाएगा, वो सब डिसीट है, धोखा है. As for my servants, no authority shall you have over them. Enough is your Lord for a disposer of affairs. Your Lord is he that makes the ship go smoothly for you through the sea, in order that you may seek of his bounty, for he is to you most merciful. When distress seizes you at sea, those that you call upon besides himself leave you in the lurch. But when he brings you back safe to land, you turn away from him. Most ungrateful is man. Do you then feel secure that he will not cause you to be swallowed up beneath the earth when you are on land, or that He will not send against you a violent tornado with showers of stones, so that you shall find none to carry out your affairs for you? Or do you feel secure that he will not send you back a second time to sea and send against you a heavy gale to drown you because of your ingratitude, so that you find no helper therein against us? अब यह है कि भाई जब समुद्रों में तुम्हारे कि जो तुम्हारे झूठे खुदा होते हैं वो तो तुम्हें छोड़ देते हैं, तुम हमें ही पुकारते हो, फिर तुम ज़मीन पे आके हमें भूल जाते हो, तुम समझते हो कि ज़मीन पे कोई नुकसान नहीं हो सकता तुम्हारा. We have honored the sons of Adam, provided them with transportation on land and sea, given them for sustenance things good and pure, and conferred on them special favors above a great part of our creation. One day we shall call together all human beings with their respective imams. Those who are given their record in their right hand will read it with pleasure, and they will not be dealt with unjustly in the least. But those who were blind in this world will be blind in the hereafter, and most astray from the path. May Allah make us from people who receive His mercy on the day of judgment. And their purpose was to tempt you away from that which we had revealed to you, to substitute our name something quite different. In that case, behold, they certainly have made you their friend. And had we not given you strength, you would nearly have inclined to them a little. In that case, we should have made you taste an equal portion of punishment in this life and an equal portion in death, and moreover you would have found none to help you against us. अब देखें, कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि ये पहले भी सिमिलर आर्ग्यूमेंटेशन आई है अल्लाह ताला की तरफ से कि अल्लाह ताला वार्निंग दे रहा है अपने नबी को कि भाई अगर हमने तुम्हें स्ट्रेंथ नहीं देती ना तो तुम थोड़े, अगर हम तुम्हें स्ट्रेंथ नहीं देते तो तुम थोड़े से जो लोग तुम्हारे ख़िलाफ़ हैं उनके लिए थोड़ा सा टिल्ट हो जाते, थोड़े से इंक्लाइन हो जाते, तब अल्लाह ताला तुम्हें भी बहुत सख्त सज़ा देता. कोई बंदा अगर किताब ख़ुद लिख रहा है वो अपने बारे में ऐसी बातें तो नहीं लिखेगा. इंडीड these are signs, if we reflect on them, that this book is indeed from God and not from a man, and Muhammad was his messenger who completed his duty by delivering us this Quran. Their purpose was to scare you off the land in order to expel you, but in that case they would not have stayed therein after you except for a little while. This was our way with the messengers we sent before you. You will find no change in our ways. Establish regular prayers at the sun's decline till the darkness of the night, and the recital of the Quran, for the recital of the Quran at dawn is witnessed. And keep awake a part of the night, an additional prayer of spiritual benefit. For you soon will your Lord raise you to a station of praise and glory. Say, O my Lord, let my entry be by the gate of truth and honor, and likewise my exit by the gate of truth and honor, and grant me from your presence an authority to aid me. Ameen Sumami. And say, truth has now arrived and falsehood perished, and falsehood is by its nature bound to perish. We send down stage by stage in the Quran that which is a healing and a mercy to those who believe. To the unjust it causes nothing but loss after loss. Yet when we bestow our favors on man, he turns away and becomes remote on his side instead of coming to us. And when evil seizes him up, gives himself up to despair. Say, everyone acts according to his own disposition, but your Lord knows best who it is that is best guided on the way. They ask you concerning the spirit of inspiration. Say, the spirit comes by the command of my Lord. Of knowledge it is only a little that is communicated to you, O men. If it were our will, we could take away that which we have sent you by inspiration. Then would you find none to plead your affair in that matter as against us, except for mercy from your Lord, for his bounty is to you indeed great. Say, if the whole of mankind and jinns were together to produce like of this Quran, they could not produce the like thereof, even if they backed up each other with help and support. And we have explained to man in this Quran every kind of similitude, yet the greater part of men refuse to receive it except with ingratitude. They say, we shall not believe in you until you cause a spring to gush forth for us from the earth, or until you have a garden of date trees and vines, and cause rivers to gush forth in their midst, carrying abundant water. कह रहे हैं भाई जब तक हम तब तक नहीं मानेंगे जब तक तुम हमें ये निशानियाँ नहीं दिखा दोगे. और you cause the sky to fall in pieces as you say will happen against us, or you bring Allah and angels before us face to face. अब ये सारे ना जो लोग डिनाई कर रहे हैं उनकी शर्तें हैं. Or you have a house adorned with gold, or you mount a ladder right into the skies. No, we shall not even believe in you mounting until you send down to us a book that we could read. बोले नहीं हम तब तक नहीं मानेंगे जब तक एक किताब नहीं तुम लाओगे जो हम पढ़ सकते हो. Say glory to my Lord, I am but a man, a messenger. Glory to Lord, मैं तो सिर्फ एक इंसान हूँ, एक मैसेंजर हूँ. What kept men back from belief when guidance came to them was nothing but this. They said, as Allah sent a man like us to be his messenger. Say if there was settled on, अच्छा अल्लाह ताला जवाब दे रहा है. Say if there was settled on earth angels walking about in peace and quiet, अगर दुनिया पे फरिश्ते रहते होते और पीस और क्वाइट से रहते we should certainly have sent them down from the heavens an angel for a messenger. अगर फरिश्ते ज़मीन पे होते तो अल्लाह ताला एक फ़रिश्ता ही भेजता मैसेंजर बना के. Say enough is Allah for a witness between me and you, for he is well acquainted with his servant and he sees all things. भाई लॉजिकल बात है ना, इंसानों में इंसान ही नबी होगा और फरिश्तों में फ़रिश्ता ही नबी होगा. जब इंसान ही नबी है तो वो इंसानों की तरह ही रहेगा ना, मतलब जैसे ह्यूमन बीइंग्स रहते हैं रहन सहन है वैसे ही उसका होगा. It is he whom Allah guides that is on true guidance, but he whom he leaves astray, for such will you find no protector besides him. On the day of judgment we shall gather them together prone on their faces, blind, dumb and deaf. Their abode will be hell. Every time it shows abatement, we shall increase for them the fairness of the fire. That is their recompense because they rejected our signs and said, when we are reduced to broken bones and broken dust, should we really be raised up to be a new creation? See they not that Allah who created the heavens and the earth has power to create the like of them anew. Only he has decreed a term appointed of which there is no doubt, but the unjust refuse to receive it except with ungratitude. Say, if you had control of the treasures of the mercy of my Lord, behold, you would keep them back for fear of spending them, for man is ever niggardly. To Moses we give 9 clear signs. Ask the children of Israel. When he came to them, Pharaoh said to him, O Moses, I considered you indeed to have been worked upon by sorcery. Moses said, you know well that these things have been sent down by none but the Lord of the heavens and the earth as eye-opening evidence, and I consider you indeed, O Pharaoh, to be one doomed to destruction. So he resolved to remove them from the face of the earth. But we did drown them and all who were with him. And we said thereafter to the children of Israel, dwell securely in the land of promise. But when the second of the warnings came to pass, we gathered you together in a mingled crowd. We sent down the Quran in truth, and in truth has it descended. And we sent you but to give glad tidings and to warn sinners. It is a Quran which you have divided into parts from time to time, in order that you might recite it to men at intervals we have revealed it by stages. Say, whether you believe in it or not, it is true that those who were given knowledge beforehand, when it is recited to them, fall down on their faces in humble prostration. And they say, glory to our Lord, truly has the promise of our Lord been fulfilled. They fall down on their faces in tears, and it increases their earnest humility. May Allah, may God make us among people who fall down on their faces in tears, and it increases their earnest humility when they hear the verses of their Lord. Say, call upon Allah or call upon Rahman by whatever name you call upon him. It is well. For him belong the most beautiful names. Neither speak your prayer aloud, nor speak it in a low tone, but seek a middle course between. Say, praise be to Allah who begets no son. He has no partner in his dominion, nor indeed he any to protect him from humiliation. Yes, glorify him for his greatness and glory. Say, praise be to Allah who begets no son and has no partner in his dominion, nor needs he any to protect him from humiliation. He glorifies, yes, glorify him for his greatness and glory. यहाँ पे हमारी सूरह अल इसरा ख़त्म हो गई है. इसके हम ब्रीफली टॉपिक्स रिकॉल कर लेते हैं, जो मुझे याद हैं वही डिस्कस करते हैं. और मेरी दुआ है आप लोग भी दुआ करें, अल्लाह ताला इन चीज़ों में मेरा हाफ़ज़ा थोड़ा बेहतर कर दे. मेरी मेमोरी पहले बहुत अच्छी होती थी, मैं कोई बुक पढ़ता था, मुझे याद होता था किस बुक पे क्या पेज पे क्या लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन पता नहीं क्यों मेरी मेमोरी इन चीज़ों में वीक हो रही है. तो आई प्रे गॉड आप लोग भी प्लीज़ मेरे दुआ करें कि मेरा हाफ़ज़ा वापस पहले की तरह अच्छा हो जाए. उसकी पॉजिटिविटी, अच्छे हाफ़ज़े की कुछ डाउन साइड्स भी हैं, लेकिन पॉजिटिविटीज़ आएँ, बस नेगेटिविटीज़ ना आएँ. तो इसमें हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का जो मेराज का वाक़या था वो रिकॉल हुआ. फिर अल्लाह ताला ने जो है यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, ये शैतान का वाक़या आया कि शैतान हर जगह से हम पे हमला करेगा. और एक और चीज़ आई थी 2 दफ़ा. हाँ, जब हम लोग मर जाएंगे तो हमें कौन उठाएगा, जब हम हड्डियाँ और मिट्टी हो जाएंगे तो हमें कौन उठाएगा. अल्लाह कहता है भाई तुम मट्टी सोचो, तुम सख्त तरीन पत्थर सोचो, या उससे भी कुछ सख्त सोच सकते हो तो वो सोच लो. लोहा सोच सकते हो सोच लो. मैंने तुम्हें पहले पैदा किया है, मैं तुम्हें दोबारा भी पैदा कर सकता हूँ. और साइंस की बात आई कि लोग साइंस मांगते थे, भाई बोलते थे तो एक इंसान क्यों हमारे बीच में नबी बन के आ गया. तो अल्लाह ताला ने जवाब दिया, भाई तुम इंसान हो, तुम्हारे बीच में इंसान ही आएगा. और ये जो कुरान है ना, यही मौजज़ा है अल्लाह ताला का. आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की उम्मत के लिए ये कुरान मौजज़ा है. हज़रत मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम के मौजज़े हमने देखे, इस तरह असा था. हज़रत ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम का मौजज़े थे. इसी तरह आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का मौजज़ा ये कुरान है, और वो हमारे बिटवीन है. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम सूरह कहफ़, जो कि सूरत नंबर 18 है, वहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. और माशाल्लाह एक यूनिक कोइंसिडेंस देखें, कल जुमा है और कल इंशाल्लाह हम सूरह कहफ़ की ट्रांसलेशन देखेंगे. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच. इंशाल्लाह सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.